Have you ever stood in a very long line at the store? Your feet hurt, and you want to leave. Maybe your computer is very slow today. You click and click, but nothing happens. It is hard to wait, right? In these moments, you might lose patience. Today, we will learn exactly what this means and how to use it. Imagine my friend Tom. One day, I told him, I am losing my patience with this broken car. Tom looked very worried. He started looking under the car and inside the trunk. He asked, "Did you drop it? What does patience look like?" He thought patience was a small object, like a key or a phone, that I literally lost. It was a funny mistake. So, what does it really mean? To lose patience means you become annoyed or angry because something is taking too long. It is a figurative meaning. You didn't lose a physical thing, you just ran out of your ability to stay calm while waiting. The word comes from Latin, meaning to endure or suffer. When you lose it, you stop enduring the wait. Now let's see it used correctly. Sarah is a teacher. Her students were being very noisy and not listening. Sarah waited for 2 minutes. She felt her face getting a little red. She was losing her patience with the noise. Finally, she said, "Class, please be quiet now." She used her words before she got too angry. Here are some examples. First, I lost my patience waiting for the bus. This means the bus was very late. Second, please don't lose your patience with the new puppy. This means be kind, even if the puppy is slow to learn. Third, the boss is losing patience with the slow project. The boss wants the work to be finished faster. To remember this, think of a pot of water on a stove. At first, it is calm, but as it gets hotter, it starts to boil. When you lose patience, you are like that water boiling over. You have had enough of the heat or the wait. Did you know? Ancient Romans saw patience as a great strength. It was a virtue to endure hard times without complaining. In some places, people might say, lose your cool instead. It means almost the same thing. In movies and books, characters often struggle to keep their patience. It's a very human feeling we all share. Similar phrases include run out of patience or hit a wall. Both mean you can't take any more. The opposite is to have the patience of Job or to keep your cool. This means staying very, very calm. A related idiom is the last straw. This is the tiny thing that finally makes you lose your patience. Common mistakes. Don't say I lost patient. Patient is an adjective or a person in a hospital. Use patience with an E. Also, don't think it means you are sick. Losing patience is about your feelings, not your health. Tip, remember that patience ends with ence. This is the noun you need for this idiom. Time for a quiz! What does lose patience mean? A, to lose a key. B, to get annoyed waiting. Or C, to go to the hospital. The correct answer is B. It means getting annoyed because you are tired of waiting. Great job! To recap, lose patience is a great way to describe feeling annoyed when things are slow. Learning these idioms makes your English sound more natural and helps you express your feelings clearly. Now, it's your turn. When was the last time you lost your patience? Tell us your story in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.